Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can get a leave a note feature on Instagram and use. So let us start. To get this feature, you have to first update your Instagram to latest version from Play or App Store. I have just updated it. After updating, open Instagram. Now click on the messaging icon. Now here you will find a leave a note option below the search bar. To leave a note, you just have to click on leave a note, then you can leave a note up to 60 characters. Note will only appear for 24 hours, and you cannot add any pictures, videos, or other attachments to the notes as they are purely limited to characters like letters, numbers, and emojis. You have an option to who you want to share your note with, the close friends or the followers who you follow back. You can choose your close friend and the note will be only shown to them. Now you just have to type your note and click on share. Now the note will appear to the user whom you have chosen and will appear to them on the DM section. If you want to delete a note or you want to write a new note, then you can do that by clicking on your existing note. Then you will have an option for deleting or for a new note. You can leave any number of notes in a day, but only one remains active at a time, which means a new note will always replace the old one. All the replies to your notes will be sent to you in the form of regular messages and will show up in the chats of the users. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.